Guys, welcome back to Gone Tracking. It's officially been announced. We're allowed to go fishing. The Gazette is out. It's the next day. And I see a lot of people asking, what is a permit? How do I get a fishing license? Where do I go? We haven't done it in many years. This is a video for you. I'll show you what to do, where to go, and how to set that up. I'm heading to the post office right now, which is your source for your fishing license. And then you get a nice long form to fill in, show you what that looks like, and me submit. So follow me, very excited. Let's get to the post office and let's get that form filled in. Right guys, you can see I'm washed up. I'm inside the post office. So regulations require that we have this on. Picked up our forms. It's a national fishing license, so if I take it out in Gauteng, I can tick off and go to the coast, and when the borders open I can move it across it. So we can fill this in, get the details, I'll take a photo so you know what to prepare for. Ask for it behind the counter, so you don't sit in a queue, fill it in and go back. Right, cheers guys, let's do the paperwork. Woo! Forms filled in, let's go, let's pay, get our license done. Okay, we're done, sure. 75 Rand a pop. Got my forms, everything filled in. Make sure you get the blue form back, you keep that long slip to show you paid, and that's it. Tick for annual licensing, so as soon as borders open we can go again, and we're done. Right, hope you have your license, you're ready to go fishing. Fish haven't been fed in a while from all the fishermen being home, so I've seen some actually very big catches. A family of ours just caught a 12-kilo carp in a dam that normally doesn't give much, so hopefully you'll find your best fish right now. Let's get out there quickly, let's do it legally, but keep on being safe. Enjoy, it's time to go.